Use the key to remove the battery. Press and hold the powered on button for 15 seconds to discharge the residual electrical energy. Remove the 2 wired harness sleeves that secure the right hand brake cable. Disconnect the brake cable terminal. Use a 4mm hex wrench to unscrew the 2 screws that fix the right hand brake lever. Take precautions to avoid oil leakage. Pull aside the tubing sheath. Use an 8mm open-ended wrench to loosen the tubing joint screw. Separate the tubing from the brake lever. Use a 6mm hex key to unscrew the oiled stopping bolt. Insert the oil pipe into the brake lever. Tighten the screws. Install the brake lever. First, pre-tighten the 2 fixing screws. Adjust the brake lever to the appropriate position, and then tighten the screws. Align the arrows on the terminals and insert the terminals. Use cable ties to secure the wiring harness. Install the battery.